So we're going out. Tawag dito, Injap, no? They're very narrow parking. Dapat yung mga parking. Ano bang dito? You will have to do a lot. Pagbaba mo na taas, spacing ka na pala. Dyan, ano? Clear dyan, no?
Clear sa kabila.
Hindi dyan nagkaka, no? Hindi ako. This one.
Bawi ka doon. Oh my God.
So for those of you na may mga long vehicles, don't park here, no? Don't check in here kasi mahirap talaga.
Head south on Benigno Aquino Avenue Service Road toward SM City Iloilo pedestrian overpass.
You need to, hindi kaya, kuminsan hindi kaya ng, if you're not familiar, you do it one or twice. Hindi lang once, no? So dito yung ano, yung curve, oh, yun yun, oh. So ang daming mga gas-gas sa gilid, no? So dito
You survive.
malayo, hindi pa malapit din dito eh. Diyan ang malayo,
Malayo,
no?
ito malaya dito.
Ha?
Malaya dito.
Okay,
My
so,
side.
dito ko i-adjust ko muna.
It's already 2 minutes and he has not yet navigated out. So, it is that difficult, guys.
Difficult siya, ha?
This is just one of the many curves.
So kung if you have vehicles, don't park here.
Dapat sharp corners eh. Dapat
Sharp
ginawa
corner
niyo.
to, dapat kinuha, no? Kasi ganyan. So gaganon mo dapat, no? Kasi dito others bumangga ka sa gilid. Diyan malayo ba dyan?
Seems
O bangga na siya dun.
tayo pa na. Ay, doon sa dulo.
Ha?
Sige lang.
O bangga siya, nakalagay yan. So buti nga yung sakyan may sensors. So buti yung sakyan na walang sensors. Hindi mo kabisado. Siyempre yung mga guard pauwi na, palabas na, they will not assist you na. Despite kanina alam nilang may check out. Pero yung papasok ka, yung
Yes.
clear dyan, no?
You're here.
Sige.
Wala siyang ingay. So, okay na.
Hmm.
Yes, first of many.
Very tight siya, mahirap siya talaga.
Okay, next.
Coming from a person with 30 years of driving experience.
Next. This is the next. Ang lawak-lawak to.
Ito medyo pwede pa to eh. Nakakuha na, smooth na. Doon kasi dapat you have to chop yung wall counter-structural eh. Pero problem mo naman dito, pag baba mo eh, bumangga na nga yung rear tire ko sa likod eh. Dito, tapos na tayo.
Time check, it's 4:13.
It took me 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
So,
Kanina, mga 2 almost 3 minutes to navigate that corner.
So,
We have another corner here.
This is the last na corner. Yung sa taas, dangerous talaga.
That's bigger. Mukhang this one's
Ito bigger ang kwan. Pero babawi ka naman dito. Pagdating ganyan, no?
Sharp ano siya.
Sharp din, no? Then ang daming gas-gas dun sa kabilang side, no? Kita mo dyan.
Doon naging na maraming rubber.
Nilagay siya ng rubber both sides.
Anticipating it's a problem.
So, this is a horror parking, no? For motorists. If I were you, don't check, Huwag kayo mag-check-in dito.
The check-in walang vehicle.
Yung sakyan ka. It's really something na
Maybe if your car is smaller.
even smaller cars, kung baguhan ka, no?
Nakawa pa sa dalawa pa to assist yun.
Ang imagine, patas niya pa ako.
Head south on Benigno Aquino Avenue Service Road toward SM City Iloilo Pedestrian Overpass.
Walang standard building code, no, sa parking, no? I think hindi ipapasa to eh. Kung sa...
Sabi nga ni ano, maraming reklamo. Sabi niya naman.
Dapat yung dala mo dito yung maliit na sakyan talaga.
Mundo rin. Bawit doon. Ang kaya naman wala siya. Wala pa nag-react ang car mo eh. Yes, finally.
May took me 5 minutes.
It's already 6:24.
6:24, so ako ayaw ko na babalik dito. Never. No?
Never in your wildest dream.